Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the front bumper on a Hyundai Sonata. It will be the same from 2006 all the way to 2011, we think. So right here now we need to remove one clip like that in the corner. You unscrew the middle part and you pull the rest of it out. Okay, you can see better on this one, like that. And then you just need to pull a little bit more and then the whole clip will come out of there. Sometimes they get too loose, so you have to play with it, okay? And now with the 10mm socket we need to remove this bolt right here, and there is one more right here, identical side. Okay. Okay guys, next thing we need to go on the driver's side, and right here underneath you have one more of those clips. Okay, you can see where this one is, and one more right here. So we need to pull those out, and we need to do the same thing on the passenger side again. The same procedure, the same clips, the same spot. Okay, this one is one right here and this one right there. Okay, we pull them out, and now what you need to do next, guys, you need to turn the steering wheel to the left. You need to pull the inner fender liner out of the groove, and now right here, so let me get a better view somehow. There is one bolt. It's kind of like screw with a 10mm socket or Phillips screwdriver and a long extension. Okay, right here, that's where it is, and we just need to take it off with a long extension. Okay, let me show you. This is the screw that we're talking about, and then on the driver's side there is one like that again. Same screw. So we need to pull that fender liner again and try to locate the screw, which is right here in the corner. You'll be able to see it. Okay, just like that. And it's out of there. Now you need to pull right here in the back, and you need to go on the passenger side and pull the same way. Okay, like that, to come out of the clips. And now there is a few clips right here that clips under the headlight. Okay, and the same thing on the driver's side. Okay, we're almost ready. And now what you need to do, you need to just unhook the fog lights. So what you need to do, you just need to press both parts and pull out. Okay, like that, right here. See, you need to pull both, push towards each other and pull out. Okay, and this is the bumper cover, guys. That's it, that's how simple it is. It shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to do it. Super easy on that Hyundai Sonata. Many of the repairs are really easy on that car. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.